Gary Brandon.
And where are you from?
Taupo, New Zealand. Well, getting up, standing on the board, riding the whole wave, and getting to do the old high five.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Oh, you basically lost my leg in Iraq doing private security work for a British company but contracted to the Americans. Out on the road in our gun truck and hit a roadside IED, and basically buggered my leg, but it was no good, so decided to chop it off.
I don't wanna miss a beat.
Yep. It's been on the bucket list for a while. Well, just wanted to try it, so see if I could do it with my prosthetic.
Till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on